So you finished killing Artorias, and you're now heading into Oolacile Township. This is a relatively large area and pretty long. I do encourage exploration, however I will only be showing you the closest route in order to get to the shortcut, which is going to bring you up right there. There is an item that I am bypassing that can help you on the fight with Manus, so again I do encourage scraping every area in order to really find everything that exists. This area does have a lot of narrow passageways, so having good character mobility is always crucial. This is especially true for the pathway coming up, as it is one of the hardest in the game to get past if you are just trying to run. Now this area, as you'll see, will be heading directly down and getting hit obviously by magic because we are amazing at this game. Now you'll see clearly that the abyss has started to traverse into this area, and that is getting darker and more decrepit. Now you'll think, I quickly need to run through this area, and the best way to do this is to run through this bottom building to over there. That is wrong. You do want to come up here, up this stairway, as there is a very important item that you are going to want for later, and that is the crest key. It is hidden by a mimic, and I have the mimic already killed, however I will show you exactly where it is, and just how to get there so that you can quickly kill it, grab the crest key, and then have a good time with Calamite fighting him later on instead of a painful experience. Now where this minion right there is exactly where you are going to find the mimic chest. It'll be right here. Just hit it a couple times, kill it, and you will get the crest key. This is used later on to help Gao. Now there are again a multitude of passageways, including ladders, everything, but the easiest thing to do is to literally just drop down here onto the roof buildings and then out of the building that we just traversed. Now, instead of heading directly along the pathway and towards that exit over there, you do want to turn up into this passage, and here you see the elevator. Run on it and activate it, and there you go. It's especially good to know because this area directly ahead of me is probably one of the other hardest ones in this area to actually end up dealing with, as the mages as well as the minions can kill you quite easily.